Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. I just want to take a few minutes to tell you how thankful myself and my entire team at the Stamps of Life are for each and every one of you. Now is the time of the year where we get together with our friends and family, hopefully, and we just get to spend some time and just being thankful. Now, of course, who are we thankful to? Well, obviously, God, right? You know, we just want to say thank you. And we are all so blessed. We live in an amazing country. Most of us live in the United States. And as crazy as life is, yes, it's all crazy out there once you go outside, but you know what? We still have a lot to be thankful for. I know some of us are fighting, diseases or cancer or something, or we're having issues on family issues or whatever, all the issues that we are all having, us included. But you know what? When this time of year, it's just the perfect time to get together and just be thankful. Thankful for we have a roof over our head. Thankful that we have a wonderful craft that we can get together weekly and make things. Now's the perfect time to be thankful. Perfect time to really reflect and think about the year and how crazy and wonderful it has been at the same time. And just remember all the wonderful, thankful things that we're thankful for. Kenny and I especially are so thankful for you. We're thankful for your support and your love and your prayers. They mean so much to us and our entire team at the Stamps of Life. Without you, we couldn't do what we do, and we just want to say thank you. So thank you to our customers, thank you to our club members, thank you especially to our Gold Club members, and just thanks. Thanks. Let's just spend some time and just say thank you. Have a great weekend with your family or friends or whoever you're spending it with. And you know what? Just be thankful because you know what? We're here, right? Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.